Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the AOC Agon PRO AG346UCD, a 34-inch ultra-wide QD OLED curved gaming monitor designed to completely transform your setup. With a 3440x1440 resolution in a 21:9 format, this QD OLED panel delivers stunning clarity and incredibly vibrant color. The curve pulls you into the action, whether you're gaming, watching content, or multitasking across multiple windows. Thanks to Display HDR True Black 400, blacks look truly deep while highlights pop with impressive contrast. Performance is where this monitor really shines. You get a 175 Hz refresh rate paired with a lightning-fast 0.3 milliseconds response time, which means ultra-smooth motion and virtually no ghosting. It's G-Sync compatible, so gameplay stays tear-free and fluid, even during intense, fast-paced moments. The adjustable stand offers height, tilt, and swivel support, and it's VESA mount compatible if you want a custom setup. Connectivity includes DisplayPort, HDMI, and a built-in USB hub for added flexibility. One thing to note is the glossy finish, which can reflect light in very bright rooms. Overall, the AOC Agon PRO AG346UCD delivers immersive ultra-wide size, stunning OLED visuals, and high refresh performance in one premium package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.